Shemai Pawb. Today we're going to be looking at how we can use shapes to make a picture linked to the story of the three little pigs. A 2D shape is a flat shape. You probably recognise some of these on the screen. We're going to just remind ourselves of some of the 2D shapes we could use to help with our picture. A circle. A circle has one curved edge. And circles don't have any corners. This next shape is a square. All of the sides are the same length on a square. They have 4 sides and 4 corners. Now this one may look a little bit new to some of you. This shape is a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides, 5 corners, and in a regular pentagon, all of the sides are exactly the same length. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners, but on a rectangle, not all of the 4 sides are the same length. They have 2 long sides, which are the same length, and 2 short sides, which are the same length. Next, we have a triangle. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. The sides on the triangle don't have to all be the same length. Next step could be another new one. This is a hexagon. Hexagons have 6 sides and 6 corners. And our last shape to look at today is an octagon. An octagon has 8 sides and 8 corners. Now that we've reminded ourselves of all of the different 2D shapes, we can start on our picture. To do your picture today, you will need a pair of scissors, a glue stick, some paper, and some colouring pencils. You may need some of these shapes to draw around to help you. You could use something in your house to help you with that, or a grown-up could help you to draw them. First, you need to draw some shapes. I'm drawing some circles, rectangles, triangles, and squares. I even managed to use an octagon. Next, you're going to need to cut them out. Be really careful, and you may need an adult to help you at this point, especially if the shapes are really small. Use some of the shapes to start making your picture. I wonder if you can guess what my picture is going to be. You may have guessed it, given our topic this week. I've made the 3 little pigs. Next step, glue your shapes down. What shapes can you see in my picture? Next, colour in your picture. Don't forget to use the correct colours for what you're colouring in. You may need to add more shapes as you go along, just like I've done. I've used squares for windows and a rectangle for the door. And here's my finished picture. I wonder what picture you can make out of shapes. How many squares will you use? How many rectangles? How many triangles? I wonder if you can use any pentagons, octagons, or hexagons. Have fun! See you soon!